If you're looking for an incredible barbecue sauce you can whip up in minutes, I've got you covered. This is so good, it'll be your new go-to sauce. I'm Christina from It Is a Keeper. I share tried and true recipes that anyone can make. I believe if you can read, you can cook. Welcome to my kitchen. Today, I'm showing you how to make this crazy good peach barbecue sauce. The flavor combination in this sauce is insane. Now make sure you stay tuned to the end to learn my favorite things to serve this sauce on. And be sure to grab the full printable recipe in the video description below. So this recipe has only 4 simple ingredients. So first thing, it's peach barbecue sauce. So we are adding peaches. 1 whole can of peaches. They're drained, most of the juice anyway. There might be a little bit, but get most of the juice out. Next up, we're going to add some prepared barbecue sauce. So you can make your own. I have a great 10-minute barbecue sauce recipe for homemade barbecue sauce that you can grab to use, or just grab your favorite bottled version. You don't want one that has too much added flavor because we want that peach to shine through. Next up, we are adding some ginger. Now, don't be scared if you've never used a ginger root. I know it looks a bit gnarly, but the flavor that comes out of fresh ginger is amazing. We're not using the powdered ginger here. So when you see this, all you have to do to peel it is just take a spoon and run your spoon over the peel, and it comes right off. And this is a lot of ginger. You would probably never use all of this in a single recipe. You could just toss this right in the freezer. It's so versatile. Oh, and it smells amazing. I love fresh ginger. I would love to just gnaw on this. Okay, so now that we have it peeled, we're going to take it and we're just going to grate it on this microplane right into our sauce. This is going to add so much flavor to the sauce. Okay, perfect. So I'll just take this, throw it in a Ziploc bag, right in the freezer. I can use it next time. Okay, last but not least, ingredient number 4 is some brown sugar. So we're gonna get that in there. We're gonna put the lid on our food processor and give everybody a spin. And that's it. She's done. Just look for any bigger chunks. If you don't see any, you're done. Can you believe there are only 4 ingredients in this sauce? I just wish you could smell it. The peach and the ginger are just coming through. But before we dig in, let me share some of my favorite things to serve this sauce with. First and foremost, pulled pork. It goes perfectly with it. Really, any pork dish goes great with this sauce because peaches and pork, perfect. I also love this with my Instant Pot barbecue chicken. You can grab that recipe below. Now, alrighty, I'm going right in with the spoon. It's that good. You can already tell, like you can see that beautiful golden peachy color. And I could just eat this like right out of the jar. The peach flavor comes through, that ginger hits so nicely, and the smokiness from the barbecue sauce. This peach barbecue sauce is definitely a keeper. You won't believe how 4 simple ingredients come together to make this deliciousness. There are so many great sauce recipes out there. My Boom Boom sauce recipe is one of the most popular sauces. One try and you'll see why. You don't want to miss it. You can check it out here. I'll see you over there.